So I listened to a podcast last week where I picked up a pretty cool piece of information and something that I'd never thought about before. I'm pretty interested in psychology and how our mind works and how that manifests and how we act. And the piece of advice was this: instead of saying when you're laid off from a job that I was laid off in conversation and networking events and kind of common life after the fact, instead of using that phrase, I was laid off, use the phrase, I retired. And I thought about that and I thought, interesting approach. And studies have been done where people who say they were retired experience through this scientific experiment that they had the same emotions that somebody who's just fallen in love with, sort of equating to those same emotions of someone just falling in love when they said, I retired from the job. Like this blissfulness, freedom of like stepping into something amazing just by using different phrases. I thought this was so fascinating. So I tried it on for size. I met a gentleman at an event, a San Diego Startup Week event. His name is Avon, interesting name. And he moved here recently from Washington, D.C. He had worked, his background is an electrical engineer, that's his training, his schooling. He'd worked in that industry, but more recently worked in business development for firms in electrical engineering. So that's kind of that coveted like sweet spot in my mind of having a technical background and being able to apply it in a business development role. And I want to also mention I can relate to this conversation because I've been laid off 3 times in my 20s, and there's a 4th time, sort of a stint with the Mexican Mafia that I don't even account. I'll tell that story another time. But literally 3 times before I was 30. So I've been in this place 3 times. Never heard this idea of calling yourself retired. Hard to do when you're in your 20s, but anyhow. So I decided to ask Avon to engage with me in this conversation. So I said, because I could tell he was like kind of frustrated and like beat down by it. He's been out of work, it seems like for close to 2 years, which is a long time. So I said, Avon, I just learned this. Why don't you try it on for size? So his response was kind of interesting. He said, wow, that's interesting. I've never heard that. So I asked him, when you're at networking events, you're out and about, and you say, and these were the words he said, that I'm in transition, how do people react to you? And he said, yeah, not very good. They kind of draw back a little bit, like, oh, you're in transition. You're going to hit me up to join your LinkedIn network and try to help you find a job. And he said, what if you use this phraseology? I worked for XYZ company, of which I've retired from, and now I'm looking to take my skills and expertise in XYZ and apply them to a fast-growing company in X industry. Quite a different conversation than I was laid off, I'm in transition, I'm looking for a job. So interestingly enough, we're at this event and another gentleman walks up to kind of join us, and I said, you're on, Avon, and he knew what I meant. And so he looks at the guy and he repeats that, and the guy's reaction was like, that's amazing. I love it. What can I do, to help you? You're looking for XYZ opportunity to use your experience. Like, whole different conversation. It was so stinking cool. So if you've been laid off, I encourage you to use the phrase, I've retired from XYZ company, and I'm using my skills and expertise in X to help Y company or Y type of company.